Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and well guys, many of you asked me a frequent question, or many of you asked me a question very frequently. What are the changes in Ielts in 2021 and when will these changes take place? Alright, let me tell you, so far Cambridge University has not announced any changes in Ielts in 2021. So, all the doubts that many students have, the test pattern will be changed or the test style will be changed or anything like that, there isn't anything at all. Let me tell you, last year they only did few changes. Instead of in listening, instead of sections, they called it parts. They removed the example in listening, and then they did not use any page number reference and all that. So far there is no change in Ielts, and in 2021 we do not expect any big change in Ielts. So those who are worried that my test is in January, what will happen in January? Ielts is going to be the same. The first thing. Second, many of you asked me this question that in January the cue cards will be changed. Let me tell you, the book from where you prepare cue cards, that is only guesswork. Okay, so it's not that cue cards are going to be changed. Even today in Ielts they use the cue cards which they used to use 15 years ago. Okay, yes, I'm telling you this, so don't worry, don't mess about this thing that cue cards are going to be changed in January and all that. That book where you prepare the cue cards from, that is only guesswork, right? And even that book does not change all the cue cards altogether. They do have same cue cards also. They repeat the same cue cards and they rearrange them, and then they add a couple of cue cards and all that. So don't worry. Don't disturb yourselves, don't bother yourselves by thinking in 2021 Ielts will be changed, in January there will be new pattern. Come on, Ielts has been same ever since it was made, right? 4 sections in listening, 3 sections in reading, same writing 2 tasks, same speaking 3 parts and all that. It's not going to change at all. If it changes, I will be the first one to let you know about it. That's all guys, thank you very much. I also teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.